I'm logging this as well. She's looking pretty cute today, if I do say so myself. So guys, as you saw in that last video of the launch, I'll look back again. This time look at the boost when it's about to launch. So as you can see, there's literally zero boost building. For some reason, this car with the launch control and the APR DSG tune, it does not want us to build boost for some reason. Maybe the APR doesn't like the Eurodyne custom tune on the ECU. So what we are going to do is actually install a Wot Box. And I didn't know you can install a Wot Box on a automatic car, but I talked to M2MB and he said, yeah, it's no problem. Instead of wiring to the clutch pedal, you just wire to the brake and do the normal settings for launch control, and it should build boost. So today we're going to install the Wot Box and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so ignore these other wires here. Those are for like my ethanol gauge and boost gauge and stuff. But so far I tapped in to the wire I already had for the ground, and now it wants me to put the blue wire on the accelerator pedal wire, and it wants you to go onto this white and blue wire right here. So I already tapped into that, so now I just need to wire that to that. Guys, so I went ahead and I pushed the yellow, orange, and red through. So what's going to happen here is we're going to tap into this nice big ignition coil wire. We're going to cut that, and what we're going to do, where it's cut, we're going to put one where it's going towards the ignition coil. We're going to put red there, and then we're going to tap the orange here. I'm just going to cut it so I can show you guys. Okay, yeah. So the orange is going to go here like that, and the red's going to go here like that. It's intercepting the signal going to the coil. So that's how it cuts the spark. Okay guys, so as you know, there's no clutch position sensor. I think they call it a cruise control switch on this car because there's no clutch. So what I did is I tapped in this is the wires going to the brake switch. I tapped into this. There's two yellow wires on here. Yeah, I tapped in on that one too just to test. So I'm going to tape that up. But the smaller yellow and black wire, that's one you're going to tap into. I tested those for you, so you don't have to. So we'll go ahead and plug this back into the switch. Yeah, everything's messy right now. Okay, it's plugged in. Now we're gonna go over here. Yeah, it's super messy. I'm working and wiring. So we turn it on. Wot Box is on. Press the gas pedal. It's starting to flash. So when I press the brake pedal, it should stop flashing and then start blinking again. There you go. That's how we know it's working, guys. So no need for the clutch pedal. You can just use the brake pedal, and I'm gonna clean all this up. Okay. So this is going to be our first test. I haven't plugged in my laptop yet to see where it's going to hold it. I don't know if it's going to work right now or not. Okay, so it's not, right now I have my launch control set to 4,000, so we might need to raise that because I'm gonna check the launch control settings because it might not be turned on for the Wot Box yet because it's not activating. I'm sure it's set to like 3,000, but it might not be turned on right now, so I'm gonna plug it in and check it out. I forget what I had it set to when I talked to you guys last. It's been a day or two just because it got too late and stuff, but let's see what we are looking at here. And after we do this, I'm gonna go on the outside and we'll see if it makes any flames or whatnot and how it sounds. Okay, so it's building 2 PSI. So it's building 2 PSI, so that's pretty good. That should leave pretty darn hard. So after we mess with the launch control and stuff a little bit more in the tune, I'll upload a video. But 2 PSI is a lot better than like complete vacuum. It used to go to like -18. But yeah, let's check out the outside view. And just so you guys know, the Wot Box is now available on my website. I'm gonna keep units here in stock, Bradenton, Florida, and I usually ship next day. And don't forget, the Wot Box is not only for 2-step and launch control and stuff, it's also for no-lift shift for all. So for all you manual guys, I have a video on my GTI about the Wot Box, and I show you no-lift shifting. You might want to check that out as well. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.